In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the two things I'm asking you to do today in class, which is adding your MindMeister to your class portfolio, your company portfolio, and your company overview. So our objective here is to add both a MindMeister file. We're going to do that as an image, and we are going to put your company overview in as a Google Doc. So as you can see here, I have added a new page to my Google site. And to do that, you would just simply click on New Page here. I'm not going to actually do it because I've already added mine, but you would type in Unit 1 here, and then you would click on Create. I'm going to cancel. And your new page would show up as something like this. So I'll go back into editing mode. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in, here is my company brainstorm. So I'm going to go to my MindMeister. So type in mindmeister.com if you need to. Click on the map that we did, which is your brainstorming activity. And then we're going to put this in as an image file. You'll see how we do that here. First thing I'll do is click on the down button, and it's going to give me some options for what kind of image file I'd like to have. And a PNG is fine. I'm going to choose JPEG. It's a little more universal, I suppose. And you'll have to check that, and then you're going to click on export. And what that will do is it'll export it right into your downloads folder. It's going to look a little bit different on your Chromebooks, but I think you'll see how to do that. And you'll see when it's finished downloading. So I'm going to go back to my site, and I'm going to click on Insert, and we just downloaded that as an image. So I'm going to choose Image File here, and I'm going to click on Upload Images, and I'm going to go find it. Here it is, right in my Downloads folder. So you might need to find that. You can see there were two there. I downloaded one yesterday as well. And you'll have to wait for it to upload. You can see it's going a little bit slowly because there's a fair amount of information on that file. So I'll pause just a minute while it does that. Once your image has downloaded, it looks something like this. You'll only have one here. I did the same thing yesterday. Oh, you can see how it came up. So select the image. Again, you'll probably just have one here that you'd like to include. So then I'm going to click OK, and you'll see my image has showed up here. However, you'll also notice that there it is showing up now, but it's way too big in my opinion. This is set on original, so I'm going to go to small. That seems a little bit too small, so I'm going to choose medium. Now if you click save, you'll see what that looks like. So there's my saved company brainstorm. Next, we are going to put in the document, which is a little bit simpler. So I'm going to go back into editor mode, and I'm going to change my layout. It's already changed to 2-column. I would suggest this just so when somebody goes to your site, they can see everything right when they go there instead of having to scroll down. So this time we are going to insert something, and we're going to insert something from our Google Drive because your company overview is saved there. So I'm going to click on Document, and it will open up your drive right here. So you can see it's finding the items in my drive, and I'm going to get a head start here, and I am going to search for my company overview. You can see a lot of things came up because you shared those with me through Google Classroom. So I'm going to click on my company overview. I double-clicked, or you can just click once and press select. And I'm going to click on Document, and it will open up your drive right here. So you can see it's finding the items in my drive, and I'm going to get a head start here, and I am going to search for my company overview. You can see a lot of things came up because you shared those with me through Google Classroom. So I'm going to click on my company overview. I double-clicked, or you can just click once and press select. And oops. And I would suggest changing your height here to 400 just to make it a little easier to fit on one page. It's not a requirement, but I would suggest it. And you'll see that it goes right here. That's not where I want it. I actually want to move it, so I'm going to move it over to my second column. And now again, to actually see what it looks like, I have to click Save. And once I've saved that, you will see that in a moment it loads up with my company overview right here. And when you're finished, this is what it'll look like with your company overview right here. You're able to scroll down to the bottom of that. You can see that's your assignment page. Yours will be your company overview, of course. And you should be able to click on your brainstorm, and it should enlarge to a view where people can actually see it as well, like that. And you go back to get back to your site. If you have any questions about any of this, please let me know.